Moving out of state is a little different from moving across town. You're dealing with longer distance, more planning, delivery windows, and a lot more details that need to line up properly. For a move across state lines, look for movers that handle interstate relocations. These moves follow different pricing, paperwork, and delivery rules than local moves, so experience really matters. Before booking, make sure the company is properly licensed for out-of-state moves. Three Movers notes that legitimate interstate movers should have an active US DOT number and follow FMCSA requirements for consumer protection. Do not stop at the first estimate. Compare a few moving quotes so you can understand the price range, what services are included, and whether anything important is being left out. Out-of-state moving costs often depend on distance, shipment weight, home size, packing needs, service level, and specialty items. Things like stairs, elevators, long carries, and storage can also affect the final total. Unlike many local moves, out-of-state moves may take several days. Ask about the delivery window, whether your shipment is shared or dedicated, and how the company keeps you updated during transit. Some people only need loading, transportation, and unloading. Others prefer full packing, unpacking, temporary storage, or custom crating for fragile items. Choose the service level that fits your schedule and budget. Before you agree to anything, ask about possible extra charges. Fuel, long carries, packing materials, bulky items, shuttle service, or storage can change the price if they are not discussed upfront. Create an inventory, declutter what you no longer need, label your boxes, and keep important documents with you. The more organized you are before pickup, the smoother the move usually feels. If you're moving during a busy season, weekend, or end-of-month schedule, try to plan ahead. Booking early gives you more time to compare movers, confirm details, and avoid rushed decisions. The right out-of-state movers can make a long-distance relocation feel much more manageable. With clear pricing, proper credentials, and the right services, you can start your next chapter with less stress. For more guidance on moving out of state and finding reliable moving support, visit threemovers.com and read the full guide.